I have been shamed by people. You could do better. People will make you feel guilty. Unfollowing people who make you uncomfortable. Consuming content that makes us feel bad about where we are. Chuck them. If you know me, you do know I live like this, and if you don't, now you will. And I'm not here making empty statements or selling you some kind of course on how to be your best self in 30 days. Hi, this is Shreyasi, and welcome to whatever this is going to become. Honestly, I don't have a catchy name for it yet. Or such bolu to that's the point. We are so obsessed with branding everything that we just forget to say what needs to be said. 2026 is already here, and here are a few things we all should unlearn. Some things might make you uncomfortable. First, being cringe is okay. Let me start with this one because even making this video, I know some of you are going to cringe, watch this video, share with your friends, roast me. And you know what? That doesn't terrify me. I used to rehearse conversations in my head, rewrite text 5 times before sending them. And here's what I realized perfection is exhausting. You're so busy trying to control how people perceive you that you forget to actually be anything. Even I am a work in progress. So if anything that's stopping you is what if people think it's cringe, do it anyway. People who matter won't cringe, and the people who cringe, chuck them. They are probably too scared to try anything themselves. Second, you will never be good enough for some people. There will always be people who look at everything you do and just point out the flaws. If you're choosing a certain path, they'll question it. But here's the kicker it's not even about you, it's about them. I have been shamed by people for being underweight. It used to break me. Today, I'm very well aware how I look like. And I look fine. And most importantly, I am very well aware that there's so much more to me than just my looks. So I'm unlearning that I don't need everyone's approval. If someone's review is always, you could do better, ask yourself, are they even adding any value? Third, work on yourself and cut the noise. We are so distracted checking in what everyone else is doing, comparing our chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20, consuming content that makes us feel bad about where we are. I am learning that the best thing I can do for my mental health is to work on me and cut the noise. That could mean unfollowing people who make you uncomfortable. That could mean saying no to plans, opportunities, even conversations that drain you, not checking in on people that don't check in on you. And that's not selfish. Fourth, cut off insecure people. If someone in your life, like your friends, colleagues, even family at times, is consistently insecure and projecting that onto you, you need to create a distance. I am not talking about people going through a rough patch, but talking about people who live in insecurity, those who subtly compete with you and make that insecurity a you problem. I have had friendships where I was hearing from them only when they needed something advice, validation, someone to vent to. And the worst part insecure people will make you feel guilty for outgrowing them. They'll say, you have changed. And yes, you have. But change is good when it's growth. Fifth, you don't always have to agree with your parents. This one's tricky because we are taught to respect our parents, and I do. But respect doesn't mean blind agreement. Your parents are your well wishers, but they are also human. They have their biases, limitations, fears, and sometimes what they think is best for you isn't actually what you need. There has to be a healthy understanding of agreeing to disagree. You'll not be a child forever. You are allowed to make your own choices, even if they don't align with what your parents envisioned for you. Even I am figuring this out as I go, just like you. And unlearning this BS we have been fed for years is the real work, and this year is about that. So if you're here for it, stick around. Drop a comment and tell me what you have unlearned over the years. Let's build something honest. काय झालं हे मधनच हिंदी काय ब्रश ऑफ उल्ट सीधे लव से बनाऊंगी ये बीच में सिंगिंग टैलेंट कहाँ से आ गया ब्रो इफ यू hated this the doors right here go 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 someone's approve chuck it